Trying to grow your audience, I'm going to tell you how exactly to grow your audience, how exactly to build that community on YouTube. Because if you're a small creator and I believe you need this, you don't need to skip any part of this video. Make sure you watch from beginning to the end. And what am I going to say is that you need to know, who are you creating this content for? Who are my audience? Are you solving a problem? When you know people that you're creating content for them, are you actually solving a problem through that content? Is anybody gaining anything from that content that you're creating? If those audience, they are not gaining anything, if you're not imparting any knowledge on them, then you're not building a community. Then you're not going to grow your audience, because you are absolutely not solving any problem for anybody. Because people want their problem to be solved. People want where they can come and relate with the story that you're telling. This is the number one thing that you have to bear in your mind. Who am I creating content for? What problem am I solving to my audience? Once you figure this out, your video title, thumbnail, and description will speak to your audience. Once you figured who you're creating your content out, once we figure who you're creating your content for, your video title, your thumbnail, everything, description, everything will speak directly to your audience. Let's take, for example, you are a lifestyle vlogger like me. Let's just say your audience loves morning routine and organization. So instead of you saying my morning routine, you say my morning routine and organizing pattern as a student living in Lagos, as a student living in Accra, as a student living in South Africa. So you have to find a way to romanticize whatever that you're doing. So you know that you've known your audience, and this directly will speak to them. Oh, as a student, this is how I should keep my morning routine. This is how I should do my skincare. This is how I should organize for the week. This is what I should do for the month. So you keep it very relatable to them. Yeah. Strategy for you to grow your audience is hook. Your first 10 seconds on YouTube matters. YouTube loves to keep record of who watched your video in the first 10 seconds. YouTube likes to keep record of who stays long and watch your content. So this is where your hook. This is where you have to work on your hook. This is where it gets interesting. If you don't have a hook, if you don't have what can make your audience stay for that 10 seconds to keep watching, then that video is already dead. So start strong. Don't waste time. Make sure you keep what you want to say immediately. Keep saying it. Keep going. Don't, all those formalities is not for now. You're not a celebrity. Yeah. Just keep it aside. You will do it when it's time. Be consistent and strategic. You don't have to post every day. Be consistent and strategic. Don't post every day. You can post at least 2 times in a week, 3 times in a week as a small creator that is just starting up. Make sure you do quality over quantity. Make sure that the video or the content that you're putting out, once the person watch up to 10 seconds, they're getting something. Once the person watch from beginning to the end, they will actually take something home. People don't want to spend their data and their time on something that does not benefit them. Make sure that you're giving out value on what you're putting out. And you need to track your performance, your best performing video. Track what is working and what is not working. This is how to actually grow your audience. There's no two ways about it to grow your audience. I can't stop saying it. Study your YouTube studio. Study what is in there. That is how you will know what works for you. Is it your short? Is it your long form video? Is it your live stream? Is it your clickable thumbnail? All those thumbnail that you is it your video idea? The way you script them, the way you bring out the idea. Check what is working for you. Have you checked those ideas that you scripted with your GTP? When you upload those contents, did they do well? The one that you just like gave yourself the idea, script by yourself, have you tried to compare those videos? Which is working, which is not working? This is how to actually know what to do. It doesn't really take that much. I didn't know all this. If I know all this before, I would have been monetized. I have other channel that is monetized now. Yes. So this is what you need to do to grow your audience. Engage and build a community. Make sure you build a community of people that loves you, that trusts you, that will always don't want to mix your content. Make sure you reply to comments. Make sure you pin a comment. Make sure you ask question at the end of the video. In the middle of the video, ask your audience what you're doing. Is it okay? What can they do instead of this? Is it advisable? Make sure you build a community. This is how to actually grow your audience. If you don't have a community, if someone is not coming to ask you, I've not seen you, when are you uploading? I've not seen you. If they're not communicating, that means you don't have their heart. So build a community that loves what you do. See short, don't sleep on short. I know I've said that your short audience and your long form audience and your live stream audience, they are all different, but don't sleep on short. If you're a storyteller, use short story to create short and gain audience. Maybe you link the video to your long form. When you create short, link a video to your long form, but make sure that the short that you're creating is on your niche, is what you actually do. You cannot be a storyteller and you're creating football short. You cannot be a storyteller and you're creating gaming shorts. You cannot be a storyteller and you're uploading dancing shorts. Do you understand? Dance shorts rather. So you should know what you will do. Don't sleep on shorts. Shorts can help you grow your audience. Shorts can make your channel get discovered more. But just know that your audience on short and on long form videos are not the same. But they are all YouTube audience. Another thing is playlist. If I tell you that most of the watch hours that I get, apart from one video gave me 1,100 plus watch hour and my live streams. Apart from that, other watch hour that I accumulated is from my playlist. If you know you do vlog in Ghana, you do restaurants in Ghana, this is restaurants I'm visiting, places to visit in Ghana, places to visit in Lagos, you create a playlist based on that. You create a playlist. When people finish watching one of the best places to eat pepper soup in Lagos, they will now see the best restaurant to eat shawarma in Lagos, the best restaurant to eat seafood in Lagos, because everything is in a playlist and they feel like they just want to consume everything that concerns your Lagos vlog. They just want to consume everything that concerns your Ghana tour, because everything is in a well-arranged manner. They just want to consume everything that has to do with your skincare routine, your morning routine, how you wash your face, your night routine, your weekly routine. That routine is because they want to see, oh, she does this at night, she does this weekly, she does this monthly. They want to see it. Use playlists to keep your audience. Use it to grab your audience attention and it will give you more watch hour. Yeah. So let's summarize everything. Know your onions, that's know your audience. Know who you are creating content for. If you know who you're creating content for, create a clickable thumbnail. When you create a clickable thumbnail, people will click. Make sure at that early stage, be so strong to hook them at that 4 seconds. When you hook your audience at that 4 seconds, they are yours. Grow a community. Make sure you respond to comments. Be consistent and be strategic. These are the things that you need to grow your audience. There's no two ways about it. If you find this video interesting, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. My name is Debbie, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.